Grammar is the set of rules that explain how words are used in a language to form sentences correctly. It includes parts of speech, noun, verb, adjective, etc., tenses, present, past, future, sentence structure, subject plus verb plus object, punctuation, word order, agreements, like subject-verb agreement. In simple words, grammar tells us how to put words together so that we can speak and write clearly and correctly. Example, incorrect, she go to school. Correct, she goes to school. This follows grammar rules. A letter is a symbol used in writing to represent a sound in speech. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet: A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Letters are the building blocks of words. For example, the word cat has 3 letters, C. A T. Each letter stands for a different sound. /K//AE//T/. Simple definition. A letter is a written sign that shows how we say a sound. Word. A word is a group of letters that gives a complete meaning when spoken or written. Examples. Cat, 3 letters, means an animal. Run means to move fast. School, a place to study. Note, words can be short, I, go son, or long, beautiful, information, understand. Words make sentences. Example, word, book. Sentence, this is my book. Letters and sounds in English. Letter, there are 26 letters in English, A to Z. These letters are combined to make words. Sounds, English has 44 sounds, even though it has only 26 letters. These 44 sounds are used in speaking. Breakdown of sounds. 24 consonant sounds like B, D, K, S, T. 20 vowel sounds. Vowel sounds types. 1. Monophthongs, 1 vowel sound. These are single vowel sounds. There are 12 monophthongs. Examples, cut, cat, ship, up her. 2. Diphthongs, 2 vowel sounds blended together. There are 8 diphthongs, sounds where the tongue moves from one vowel to another. Examples, day, boy, go, how, by. 3. Triphthongs, 3 vowel sounds blended together, advanced level. These are complex and found in words with a smooth glide of 3 vowel sounds. Examples, royal power, layer, shower. Additional helpful points. Consonant are sounds made by blocking air, partially or fully. Examples, B, T, S, M, K. Vowels are sounds made without blocking air. Main vowel letters, A, E, I, O, U, but their sounds are more than 5, that's why we get 20 vowel sounds. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in a language that can change the meaning of a word. It does not carry meaning itself, but changing a phoneme can change the whole word. Examples, cat versus bat, K right arrow, B right arrow, only one sound changed, but the meaning changed. So, K and B are different phonemes. Pin versus pen, right arrow, E equals sign, different vowel phonemes. English has around 44 phonemes, including consonant sounds, P, B, T, K, etc. Vowel sounds, I, E, O, etc. Summary. Phoneme equals sign sound unit. It changes word meaning. If changed, it is not a letter. It is a sound. Example, ship versus chip, different phonemes equals sign, different words. Morphemes and syllable. A morpheme is the smallest unit of meaning in a word. It cannot be divided further without losing or changing the meaning. Examples, unhappy equals sign not plus happy, feeling good, right arrow, 2 morphemes, books equals sign book plus s, plural, right arrow, 2 morphemes, teacher equals sign teach plus right arrow, 2 morphemes. There are 2 types. 1. Free morpheme can stand alone, for example, play book, cat 2. Bound morpheme cannot stand alone, for example, eat, s, un. Syllable. A syllable is a unit of sound in a word. Each syllable usually has 1 vowel sound. Examples, cat equals sign 1 syllable, water equals sign, water equals sign, 2 syllables, beautiful equals sign, beautiful equals sign, 3 syllables. Difference in short. Morpheme equals sign, meaning unit, syllable equals sign, sound unit.